Using Apple Pay even when your side button in your spoken is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach her. Yes, can you use Apple Pay even when your side button is broken? So the process is pretty simple. You can either do the face lock thing, or you can either do the assistive touch. So how does it touch works? Let me tell you one thing. You just need to go to your settings and you need to search for assistive touch. So I'm just gonna scroll down. You'll see the search option. You just have to search for assistive touch. As you can see, this is in the accessibility option. You just setting up turn this feature on. What it will do is it will give you a button that will replicate your all the buttons. You just simply have click on that and you will be able to see all the buttons. You just need to press the home button 2 times or any other button you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this really helpful.